I'm reporting from the How to Be a Rockstar training event, and behind me you see our VAs working on the first hardware challenge. They've been given one of Group 11 outsourcing principles. They are busy creating a simple slide presentation on why that principle is rewarded, what is that supposed to mean, and why it's important for VAs to live up to those principles. So I'm going to go and run the room and check in to see what they're working on. Number one, let's check in and see what they've called themselves. So who's the band leader? All right, band leader. What's the name of your band?
The BA Stream. Unity Stream.
Oh, the BA's Creed. Okay. And what's your principle?
Communication.
Communication. So again, another key principle of being a Rockstar VA is communication. I'm curious to see what their presentation looks like. Let's leave them to it. Okay, we are with band number 2. Who's the band leader? What's the name of your band? Bevan.
Oh, is that ready?
They get bonus points for being the Bevan. They don't. No favoritism here. Okay, and what is your principle? Initiative. Again, another key principle of being the Rockstar VA is taking initiative. We're curious to see what they come up with. Band number 3, let's check in. What is your band name?
Edge of the Horizon.
Edge of the Horizon, the new band we're forming over here. What is your principle?
Navigating problems.
How to navigate problems. An essential skill for VAs is how to navigate problems, especially when working with clients. Let's check on the other bands. Band group number 6, let's check in. What is your band name?
Band. When you go to work,
We're doing bandage, right? We're doing bandage, like when you hurt yourself, bandage.
I want
Just one of the principle. Hard things. How to be organized, how to keep your files organized, how to keep your projects organized. Another key principle of being a Rockstar VA. Let's take him to the next cross battle here. Keep a question. We're with band number 7. Let's check in and see what they're working on. What is your band name?
Bandwidth.
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 Like that we bandwidth. Yeah.
Not bandwidth. Bandwidth. Well, what simply?
No, he's like me. Why does Cell always do this? I don't know. Maybe it's a Filipino thing. No, it's a Cell. The word. And what is your
Reliability and integrity.
reliability and integrity? So teaching the VAs why reliability, what flies need to be able to rely on the VA, the way integrity, which is keeping your word is important. That you're working on a presentation right now. Let's check in the others.
Awesome material for you to.
Group number 4. What is your band name?
Platinum.
The band Theos. And what is your principle?
Smith Ketter.
How to generate value. So we're teaching the VAs how to generate more value for their clients, which basically means how to reclaim time from busy work, how to overcome procrastination, and how to help their clients increase sales and revenue and profits in their business. Let's go check in the other bands. We are here with Band 8, and so we're giving them a chip because they did something and they may want to redo again. Hey guys, so now I take your band photos, you've had your lanyards on.
Yes.
But whenever you've seen a band with their cover image with lanyards on, you may well rethink that strategy. Yes. With that said, band leader, what's your strategy here?
We'll just have to perform it with our hearts and how we believe that this concert is gonna be.
And I hope we will be able to hit the hearts of more people. And how are you delegating how they're signing projects?
Our tech team right here, which is Joshua, was create the I, and I am the one who's creating the social media platform for both concert and the press release. So we have right here Alili, who's the one who's giving more ideas, Joshua, reading more ideas when it comes to photo and how to give impression and where to put those photos. And we have who's going to be the one that will like the main singer for the event for tonight, and I hope you enjoy it.
Great. Later, that's the band 8. Okay, here we have band number 3, Edge of Horizon. Let's check in with the band. What's the strategy here?
We delegate the task, teach members on We are fast. When finish the
One cool.
challenge.
Okay, cool. So the strategy here is delegation. Are you assigning tasks to the member who's always strongest in that thing already?
Yes, I did.
All right, let's see how they do at the end of the competition. Bandwidth, bandwidth, I'm still not sure when they're halfway through the competition. So let me just ask me, Fan, Linda, what's the strategy here? So,
Our strategy here, we are now working with our to finalize our song. We are using the Sona app, and then we are now downloading the audio so that we can have the audio of the original song that we have in our lyrics.
okay, great.
Thank
And
you.
are you assigning tasks based on skill set, or is it just chipping in?
Yeah, everyone is working so that we are chipping in.
Cool. And you're tracking whatever I'm doing?
Yes.
Okay. Good, we'll check back in later on.
Thanks, Bing.
So we're here with the band leaders. They have some heavy artillery machinery here. They've got some fancy yellow keyboards and stuff going on here. What for? Let's see what they're up to. That's our band leader. What's the strategy? For how you meet, then you not using our generator. Right the fuck wire and sometimes they get that. Great. So I noticed that two people are working and two people are doing something and four people managing right now. Already created the art thing, the press release and the social media plan. Okay, so they're up to bit again. So I see that two of you are fanning and two of you are working. Are you guys managing or actually doing something?
I'm currently working on an image right now.
On my phone.
And I am managing the team.
That are you tracking whatever I'm doing? All right. That's the band leaders. They seem to have things in control. Let's see how they do at the end of the competition. So there's a band back there. They're getting ready to take their band photo. So the task is you take a band photo and then enhance it with AI. There's a catch. I'm seeing if they leave their lanyard on. Have you ever seen a band with lanyard on? Maybe I'll cheat and let them know. Bands don't wear lanyards.
I don't wear lanyards. No, we'll wear lanyards. Oh, you'll give me sleep. I didn't know he trying him already. That was a good tip, B.
Just gave this band behind me a tip. They're all wearing lanyards. Now this photo is their band photograph, and you can't have a band wearing lanyards with a promotional material. Sometimes as a client, we've got to give guidance to our team members if we forget a key instruction. And VA's creep, let's check in how they're doing. Rick, what's the strategy here?
And we'll assign each and every one of the tasks, make sure we will be able to commit with the time.
How are you guys feeling about the buff?
I think we're winning it.
A lot of confidence there. Let's check in on the other bands. I've assigned them 12 different tasks. We've got to complete these tasks within a 90 minutes time frame. They've done task 1 and 2 already. They've got 10 more things to do. That work as a team. The band leader is tracking what each team member is doing. And then we got to do something else now. But they're actually doing a lot related between VAs and EAs for our clients' business. So I'm here with one of our guest judges, Lloyd. What are they working on right now?
They are working on the AI tab or games. So they are trying to recreate a song. It's not really a rap song or a song that they selected. I've already written down their principles, their band names, and their band. That's all that they have selected. So I'm excited on the output of this one.
And the reason that Lloyd is a guest judge and not a participant, he likes to win. So he was happy. If I'm taking part today, only two. I can't let anyone else win. So he agreed to be a guest judge today. And right now, the fans are busy working on their principal presentation. One of the outsourcing principles you see over there. And a little bit later on, they'll be singing a song, the religious theme of one of these principles. So we're excited to see what they come up with. This is just one of the interactive, immersive ways we provide training called BAs.